Tell me, have you ever felt completely stuck in your drawing progress? Like you're doing all the right things, watching tutorials, practicing daily, filling sketchbooks, and still your art feels like it's going nowhere. But what if I told you your problem isn't your discipline? It's your system. And what if I could give you one that actually works? Stick around because what I'm about to show you flipped my whole progress upside down, and it might just do the same for you. Let me take you a while back to when I was just starting out drawing. I had the phase when I was doing seemingly everything right. Morning sketching, midday anatomy studies, evening rendering drills. I was proud of my routine, but after a few months, two things happened. First, I completely burned out, and second, my art barely improved at all. I remember staring at my drawings thinking, how can I work this hard and still feel stuck with almost zero progress? So to get unstuck, I decided to try something completely different. I committed to one very specific system that I never ever have tried before. And I gotta tell you, what happened next just blew my mind. In just a few weeks, I made more progress than I usually made in 8 to 10 months. So how does it work? And more importantly, how can you use this system to finally level up your skills? My favorite part in drawing is to learn new and awesome skills that will improve my artworks. To upgrade my skills, I often take online classes that can be found on Skillshare, which is today's sponsor. Skillshare is an amazing platform that I wish I had when I started drawing. It's especially valuable for artists because here you can find thousands of classes led by incredible professionals who teach drawing, painting, illustration, animation, and much more. So I started taking a course by an amazing artist, Brand Eviston. I found this course extremely valuable for artists who want to learn how to draw figures. And my favorite part, you can learn at your own pace, with no pressure and time limits. And you can get all of these classes for free, because the first 500 people to use my link in the description will receive a 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Get started today. So how does this system work and how can it help you drastically boost your art progress? Let's break it down. The truth is, most of us aren't stuck because we are lazy or untalented. It's much deeper than that. Let's say your goal is to draw amazing characters. You start practicing anatomy, then jump into color, try a bit of landscape drawing, perspective, lighting, and what happens? You run out of steam. And none of the skills get strong enough to actually help you. That's why most artists get stuck. Not from lack of effort, but because their energy is scattered. So how to fix that? That's where the progress system comes into play. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Pause everything. Yep, you heard right. Stop all your current practices. Just for a moment. We are doing a full reset on purpose. Step 2. Identify your most desired goal. Let's say your goal is to draw awesome characters. Write it down. Now, very important step. Step 3. Ask the question: what skills actually move me toward that goal? Let's take landscape painting for example. Does that help you draw better characters? No. Cut it. Now what about anatomy? Heck yeah, that stays. At the end, you've got a filtered list of relevant skills. But we are not done yet. If you want structured practice and exercises all laid out for you to actually improve, I made a free digital art workbook you can grab below. It's already helped thousands of artists make real progress. And it's free, so go grab it and start improving today. Step 4. Now take those skills we've got and split them into 3 groups. First one is the top priority skills. These are the skills that we can start learning right away. There are no requirements. For example, here we can include gesture, construction, and proportion from our initial list. Next group is medium priority. These skills require some other skills to be figured out before. For example, you can't draw anatomy well if you didn't learn construction before. So we write anatomy and perspective here. And the third one is low priority, not urgent yet. For example, do you actually need shading to draw believable characters? No, because you can draw effective characters even using only line art. So shading goes into low priority list, as well as composition. Now here is where it all clicks. Step 5. We place our skills in the priority order, which we already know from the step 4. And here comes the main part that can make or break all your efforts. It's the question: how exactly to practice these skills? Instead of spreading our energy too thin on each of these skills, we pick the first one in the priority list and focus entirely on it. Okay, so when then to switch to the next skill? The main rule is to switch when this current skill feels completely comfortable for you. But for this system to properly function and boost your skills, there is one more crucial thing you need to know, and I show it in this video. Click it and I see you there.